How does a robot know how to walk in a line? How does it know when to turn, how much to turn, and when to move straight? Hi, I am Doorvi, and let's learn about this with the team Nextronix. So, I was watching a video about robots and I wonder how a robot walks in a line.
A control method is used for that, known as PID algorithm. It helps to understand the robot when to move straight, how to turn, and how much to turn.
So, what does PID refer to? What is PID algorithm?
PID stands for proportional integral derivative. These three work together to make the robots move smoothly. Let me explain it one by one. P stands for proportional. This part looks at how far the robot is from the line. If the robot is far away, it will turn more. But if it is little away, it will turn less. So it gives the correction according to how far the robot is from the line. I stands for integral. This part looks at how long the robot has been off the line. If the robot is keep going slightly or off the line again and again, this part remembers it and gives extra correction. If it helps fix small mistakes, keep happening. And the D stands for derivative. This part looks at how fast the robot is moving toward or away from the line. If the robot is moving too quickly, it slows down the correction. This helps the robot move slowly without shaking or jumping.
So these three work together to make the robot follow a line?
Exactly. You can think of it like this. P tells the robot what to do now. I remembers the past mistakes, and D looks at what is going to happen next. Together they make the robot smart and stable.
So here at Nextronix, we have our technical team who is also using the concept of PID algorithm to make a delivery robot in the campus. So let us go to them, talk to them and know how this algorithm works inside a robot. So let's learn what's inside this robot and how it actually works. Hi.
Hello.
Can you please tell me about how this PID algorithm works in this robot?
Yeah, sure. So this car have an infrared sensor. This sensor just see the line which are taped on the black tape on the floor. This car move on the black tape properly, but when it deviate from the black tape, the distance it get deviated is get calculated and the distance is error. So the PID algorithm is used here, which calculate the distance, the error, send it to the controller and use it by putting this value on a specific formula, and it turn the car again on the line. So in this formula there is nothing. Three constants are used, which are Kp, Ki, Kd. These formulas are connected with each other. We apply these values on the formula, get the error, and then calculate the error and minimize it.
So if we set these values correctly, the robot moves properly.
Yes. If the Kp is too high, then the car will turn too much. If the Ki is too high, then it will automatically correcting it when it is not needed. And if Kd is too low, then it will react very slowly. We manage these values and changing it different values by giving it different values. And by putting different values, we can check the car is moving smoothly or not. By changing the values, we can check that the car is moving smoothly or not. And at the end, we get that the car should move too properly, fast, and with the flow on the line.
And that's how a small piece of code makes the robot run smoothly and smartly, always checking, always correcting, and always learning.
Yes.